How to remove suggestion from Chrome. So all you have to do is to go to your Chrome application here, and let's say it will look like this. Right now, if you tap on the search bar there are actually suggestions from Chrome. So it's either suggestion from Chrome. Now the next thing that you want to do is to actually disable that. Right now, for Androids, you can see three dots on your upper right. For iPhone users, it's actually on your bottom right. Tap on the three dots there and tap on settings. Now under settings, you can go to Google services there. Just simply toggle off the make searches and browsing better and your improved search suggestion there for iPhones. And for Android, there you can see URLs there, something about URLs. Just toggle that off and basically tap on done there. Now if you tap on the search bar here, if you tap on the search bar here again, you won't be able to see the suggestion from Chrome. And basically that is how you remove suggestion from Chrome. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.